Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda from Topic Cake Toppers, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this baby llama. Okay, so I'm just rolling out a sausage shape, just using the smoother to get it even. I'm just going to cut out 4 pieces for the legs. Okay, so just rolling the ends and just flattening them out. So I'm going to use cocktail sticks to put onto the end of the legs to attach them to the body. So I'm just going to cut them in half. I'm going to put some edible glue just on the end of the stick. And then just twisting that into the bottom. Right to the bottom. So for the body, I'm just going to pull the end of it up just to make the neck shape. I'm just going to roll it in between my fingers also just to get it nice and round. I'm just going to flatten down that top as well. Put some edible glue on a skewer and then just twist it through the neck right down to the bottom, and this will help to hold the neck up straight. So I've left these drying overnight, a little bit firmer now. Just going to put some water on that stick and then just round the tops of the legs. Placing them into the body. Okay, so for the hose, I've just rolled some black balls and then I've put some edible glue on the bottom of the legs and then just stuck them on. Making a cone shape or a pear shape for the head. Just putting some vegetable shortening on my hands to stop it from sticking. So I'm using a soft-ended pointed tool. I'm just poking in the corners of the mouth, just some little holes, and then I'm going to pull the soft-ended tool right across from one point to the other to create the mouth. So using a veiner tool, I'm just going to press lightly in just to create the nostrils. So just a little bit of edible glue on the top of the neck there. And a little bit on the bottom of the head. And then just placing that on. Smoothing that down, just pushing in with my 4 fingers to create where the eyes will sit, and also just pushing in at the back just to mould it in with the body a little bit more. So for the eyes, I'm just rolling out a little black piece, and then I'm going to cut that in half. Bit of edible glue, okay, and then just placing them on. Just take that sharp bit off the end there, cut mark. Just placing that on, and then just curving it up on the edges, right on the corner, just to make it look like the eyes are closed. For the eyelashes, I'm just making some little prickle size eyelashes, so I'm starting right on the corner of the eye. So we're going to do 3 of these. For the ears, I'm just making it pointed at either end, a little bit fatter in the middle, and then I'm just going to cut that in half, just squash those down. Just cut it to the length you want it. So using a veiner tool just to create a curve in the ear. A little bit of edible glue just to pop them on. Okay, so now we're going to make the balls, the wool really, just little balls that we're going to attach to the body, just to make it look like wool. So just random sizes, they don't all have to be the same size. Placing them on, just sort of overlapping each other, just filling in those gaps. For the legs, I started right down the bottom of the hooves and made my way up to the top of the legs. And then the same with the body, starting at the bottom and working my way up to the top. Quite a lot of balls, but once you get into a rhythm, it doesn't actually take that long to do. So I just added a little bit of water with each little part that I did. It's a little bit at a time. I started at the bottom of the head and I made my way up to the top. For the tail, I just clumped a few balls together and just attached them there with edible glue. So we're making the blanket that goes on top. So we're just cutting an oval shape. Same again with the green, just a little bit smaller. stick them together with some edible glue. So just flipping it over, just putting a little bit of edible glue on the other side. And then just sticking that on her back. Okay, for the little balls that go on the blanket, doing some pink and purple, pretty colours. I'm also going to add a little bit of green in between those colours as well, just to sort of break it a little bit. Just helps to soften it up, just to add a little different colour there. You can put any colours you like, of course. So just finishing her off with a little bit of petal dust, just for her cheeks, just a little bit of blush. I'm using a candy pink. Okay, there she is all finished. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd much appreciate it. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell to be notified of any new videos I do. Thank you for watching.